we've lived at Watermark, my wife and I. She's my better half. She's not here tonight, but we've lived here since July 1st. And it's been a blast so far. Yeah, so we found out about Watermark through a third party called Apartment Life. So we're the cares team on this apartment complex. So we found it through being assigned here, but we couldn't have been assigned a better place just because it's been such a fun, lively place. So many fun people here. Everyone's got a dog. So yeah, we were really excited to be able to be placed here. There's, awesome pool and workout room. Both my wife and I love that. So that's been a huge blessing for us, for sure. My favorite is probably the pool, but the most used is the workout room, probably. Yeah, my wife and I like to keep fit, I suppose. And so, yeah, probably the workout facility is awesome. Now that we have a dog, right here, the dog park is going to be really sweet for us. I definitely would recommend it to our family and friends. We actually have tried to get some of our friends to come move here who live in Denver right now, just because, yeah, they've come here and visited and they love the whole area. They love the location in Longmont. You got the biking trails and everything pretty much right next door. And you can access Boulder from here, Niwot, Gun Barrel, and anywhere in Longmont. So, yeah, we really want to have our friends come in, and it's been a fun place to live for sure.